Okay, BMS students, in order to submit your book reviews to be eligible for the drawing and prizes at the end of the quarter, you're going to need to join the Bluffs Middle School Media Center. Your homeroom teachers will help you with this. So once you're in the Bluffs Middle School Media Center, you're going to submit your book reviews right here where it says 2019-2020 book reviews. Right now, you can see a book review example. When you click on that, it shows you exactly what your book review needs to look like. You need a picture of the book, the title, the author, and then just a quick 3-sentence summary or little advertisement that tells a little bit about what the book is about. Then when you get ready to submit your reviews, your first time is going to be under first quarter. When you click that, you'll see a discussion that says Submit Book Reviews here. This is where you're going to type up your 3 sentences, cut and paste your picture of your book, make sure you have the author as well. You won't see your post right away because I have to approve it, so don't freak out if you don't see your post right away. I have to approve it. Once it's approved, your post will show up and you'll be able to see other book reviews. If you have any questions, come see me, Mrs. Shattuck, or Mrs. Collins in the Media Center.